Kohler with a Sloan Flash little baby urinal. There's a big urinal. You need help? Unlock it. There it goes. Flush the urinal. Good job. Gonna flush the potty and then we'll go, yeah, it's Kohler. Go wash our hands. Flush the potty and then we'll go wash our hands. What kind of toilet? What kind of toilet is it? What kind of toilet? A crane, you're right. A Kohler urinal, so flush it and then at the end. Good job, bud. At the end. Want me to flush this one? Alright. Alright, the end.
Baby, do it. Did you do it?
Alright, baby, do it on that one. The one you can reach. It's little. Alright, bud. The end.